Let me ask you something. Imagine you own a beautiful restaurant. The food is amazing, the interiors are beautiful, your chefs are talented. But the restaurant is hidden inside a narrow street with no signboard. Would customers come? Probably not. Now imagine another restaurant. The food is average, but people find it on Google. They see attractive Instagram photos, they read positive reviews, they receive promotional emails, they visit the website, they reserve a table online. Which restaurant do you think will receive more customers? Exactly. That is the power of digital marketing ecosystem. Today, businesses don't grow because of just one marketing channel. They grow because every digital channel works together. And that is exactly what we are going to learn today. By the end of this lesson, you will understand why successful companies don't depend on only Facebook or only SEO or only Google Ads. They build an ecosystem where every digital touchpoint supports the next one. Let us begin. What is digital marketing ecosystem? Think of digital marketing like the human body. Can you hear heart work alone? No. Can your brain work without lungs? Of course not. Every organ performs a different function, but they all work together. Digital marketing works exactly the same way. Instead of organs, we have channels. Your website, Google search, social media, email, online advertisements, videos, blogs, WhatsApp, CRM, analytics. Each one performs a different job. Together, they create a customer journey. No single channel wins by itself. Success comes from integration. The customer journey, how exactly it happens. Let's follow customer named Sarah. Sarah wants to buy a laptop. What's the first thing she does? She searches Google, best laptop under $1,000. She visits several websites. She reads blogs. She watches YouTube reviews. She checks Instagram. She compares prices. She reads customer reviews. She subscribes to newsletters. She receives discount emails. She clicks on advertisements. Finally, she buys. Did Google make the sale? No. Did Instagram make the sale? No. Did email? No. Every channel influenced her decision. This is called the customer journey. Customers rarely purchase after seeing a business only once. Most people need multiple interactions before trusting a brand. Every interaction builds confidence. What are all the main channels of the digital marketing ecosystem? Number one, website. Everything starts here. Your website is your digital office. Every campaign eventually brings visitors here. Your website should answer questions, build trust, generate inquiries, collect leads, sell products. Without a website, most marketing activities lose effectiveness. Number two is search engine. Google connects businesses with people actively searching. Search traffic has very high intent. If someone searches best dentist near me, they are probably looking for a dentist today. SEO helps your website appear naturally. Google Ads lets you appear instantly. Both have different purposes. Together, they generate continuous traffic. Third, social media. People don't visit Instagram to buy. They visit to connect, to learn, to be entertained. Your social media builds relationships. It increases awareness, shows your personality, creates engagement, keeps your business in customers' minds. Number 4, content marketing. Content answers questions. blogs, videos, podcasts, infographics, case studies, guides. Every useful piece of content builds authority. People buy from businesses they trust. Content creates the trust. And number 5, email marketing. Suppose someone visits your website today but doesn't buy. Should you lose them forever? No. Capture their email. Now you can educate them, share offers, send newsletters, launch products, build long-term relationships. Email marketing converts interested visitors into loyal customers. Number 6, paid advertising. Sometimes businesses cannot wait. SEO takes time, content takes time, social media takes time. Paid ads produce immediate visibility. Google ads, Facebook ads, Instagram ads, LinkedIn ads, YouTube ads. Paid campaigns bring targeted traffic instantly. And number 7 is analytics. How do you know what is working? Analytics tells you where visitors came from, how long they stayed, which pages they visited, what they purchased. Without analytics, marketing becomes guessing. With analytics, marketing becomes decision making. Now, let us understand how everything works together. Let's imagine a complete customer journey. A person searches Google, finds your blog, reads your article, clicks to your website, downloads a free guide, subscribes to your email, receives valuable emails, follows your Instagram, watches your YouTube videos, clicks the remarketing advertisement, returns to your website, books a consultation, becomes your customer. Notice something? Every channel supported another channel. None of them worked alone. This is why businesses should stop asking which is better, SEO, Facebook, Google Ads, email. Instead ask, how can they work together? That question changes everything. Let us get into a real world business example. Imagine you own a dental clinic. SEO helps people searching best dentist. Instagram shows smile makeovers. Facebook builds community. YouTube explains treatments. Email reminds patients about appointments. Google Ads attract immediate enquiries. Website converts visitors into appointments. And CRM manages patient relationships. Analytics measures every result. This is an ecosystem, not isolated marketing activities. Now, let us come into the summary and the next episode what we are covering. Today, you learn that digital marketing is not one platform. It is an interconnected ecosystem. Your website, search engines, social media, content, email, paid advertising, analytics, all work together to create an exceptional customer experience. In our next episode, we will explore digital consumer behavior. Why do customers click? Why do they ignore advertisements? What influences buying decisions online? Understanding your customers is the key to becoming an effective digital marketer. If you found this lesson valuable, like this video, subscribe to the channel, share it with someone learning digital marketing. I'll see you in episode number 3. Thank you for watching.